Are you looking into making money online as a customer service agent? Well, there's an opportunity for you today with this new company that I'm going to share with you. And please apply as soon as possible since the competition is very high. So before we continue, welcome to Sheila's World. And please feel free to subscribe and join my community where we share a lot on job opportunities as well as investment ideas. Remember to like the video if you enjoy, and also please leave a comment. Let's check out this company and see what job offers are there. And the company is called Support Services Group. So as you can see, come work with us. We are looking for great people to join our growing team. So let's view the current openings. First, we can look at testimonials here. These are people who've worked with the company before. I've worked for Support Service Group for 2 years, and I could not be happier to work at a company full of talented, professional, compassionate individuals. So there are so many testimonials here. Johnny Jennings: I have been with the company since 2014. SSG has been more than just a job for me, it has become a family. So you can see it's a company that has some good reviews. Now let's look at the current job openings. So they have customer service chat agent in Alabama, but this is remote work, so you can apply from anywhere. Let's just check the position. So are you looking for opportunities to work for a rapidly growing company with room for advancement? Support Services Group builds careers. Our company has grown over 400% in the last 12 months, so there is a ton of room for growth and opportunity. So interested in leadership opportunity? At Support Services Group, 95% of leadership are hired from within. Do you have a passion for sports? Would you like to work for American Sportsbook and Premier mobile sports betting operator in the US? Support Services Group is hiring customer service chat agents to join our team. We employ hardworking, action-oriented team members and are continually looking to recruit exceptional talent. Our company continues to grow because of dedication to providing best customer care in the industry. So about this position, the customer service chat agent position will encompass reply chats by helping customers with billing, technical and service questions, address customer issues and resolve them in timely and efficient manner, build sustainable relationship and trust with customer accounts through open and interactive communication, follow communication procedures, guidelines and policies, provide accurate, valid and complete information by using the right methods tools. We provide you with 4 weeks of paid training to teach you all about products and services. So compensation is you earn per hour $14 per hour. Then there's paid training. So what we offer: health, dental and vision insurance after 90 days, paid holidays, accrue paid time off, work with supportive team committed to helping you feel comfortable and successful. So this position allows you to work from the comfort of your home, work from home requirements, a dedicated private room in your home that is quiet during work hours, internet connection of 50 MB or more, which is hardwired, Ethernet connected from the modem to your company PC. You must provide your own equipment, must be a MacBook or Windows 10 or higher. You must have webcam and headset. Strong writing. The ideal candidate should have strong writing and grammar skills, strong in both verbal and written communication, the ability to multitask easily, the ability to compose professional correspondence without requiring additional training, typing 45 plus words per minute with the ability to quickly learn new software. So we're excited for you to join our team. Looking forward to meeting. So you can just go and apply for this job. You can either fill a form or use your LinkedIn resume. Let's just see what are the requirements. So when you're applying, you just fill in your, if you have a resume, you upload. If you have an Indeed resume, or if you have LinkedIn, so just complete in your names, work history, cover letter. You authorized to work in the United States. What is the highest level of education you have completed? So you complete this form here. Then how did you learn about us? You can say that's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. So since if you're learning this from my YouTube channel, you can just click YouTube and then you submit your application. So that's all for that position. Let's see the next one. The next one is I think all of them, they're just customer service chat agent, but in different locations. But since they are remote work, anyone can apply. Once you don't be scared, even if you're in Africa, just try your luck. And these jobs, that we work for them even when you are in Africa. So don't be afraid to, when you see United States, then you don't apply. Then we have, besides customer chat agent, we have TL supervisor. This full-time remote work. This IT project management, you can check out on that. Benefits administrator, Texas. Custodial work, customer service chat agent, customer service representative. Let us check this one. This one can apply when in Africa. Customer service representative streaming. So it's almost it is also remote, so you can still apply this one. Do you have a passion for watching and talking about your favorite movies and TV shows? Are you looking to work for a company where you can make an impact in your life as well as the lives of others? Are you looking for opportunity to work for a rapidly growing company with room for advancement? At Support Services Group, 95% of leadership are hired from within. Working here, you'll have a job that is both rewarding and engaging. Our mission is to provide the highest quality of support to our customers and exceptional sales-driven results to our clients. We are looking for the right individuals to provide customer service support for a world-famous streaming service company. You'd be assisting with customer accounts, troubleshooting, and other account-related. Equipment for this position is required. It must be a MacBook or Windows 10 or more higher. You must have a webcam and a headset. Work from home requirements: dedicated private room that is quiet during work hours, internet connection 25 MB or more, which is hardwired, Ethernet connected from the modem to your company PC. What we offer: opportunity for advancement, management that cares about your personal professional development, contest, bonuses to add extra money to your paycheck, and awesome prizes. So permanent full-time employees are eligible for comprehensive benefits including medical, dental. Responsibility: answer inbound calls regarding services, accounts, and troubleshooting of streaming apps. Deliver an outstanding customer service experience. Soft app selling of services and goods. Utilize multiple systems while speaking with customers. Comply with all operational policies and procedures. High degree of accuracy. So scheduling requirements: we are looking for people who are willing to work mornings, evenings, and nights. Our programs run 24/7, so we have many shifts available. At least one weekend day required. Job requirements: must have good work history and positive attendance, excellent verbal communication skills, ability to multitask, high school or GED diploma required, ability to pass criminal background record. If you're looking for stable long-term employment, please apply. Join our support services group. So this company has several positions that you can try and apply. So you can either use your, if you have an Indeed resume, or you can apply with your LinkedIn and try your luck. So I think that's all I have for today. You can check out all the positions because there are several. Whichever suits you, you can apply based on your skills, and I wish you all the best in your job search. And these are jobs that you can work from anywhere, so don't be afraid to apply. I'll see you again in my next one with the more and more positions. Just subscribe and leave a comment if you enjoy this kind of content. I'll talk to you again in my next video.